Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Saga. All right, which I completely missed. I missed that it actually got listed on some major exchanges. But what I saw is that right now, what you see is that Saga, first of all, it's a major crypto. All right, it has a market cap of $570 million right now. And then apart from that, the volume in the last 24 hours, so since launch, is $1.34 billion, which is both crazy, amazing to see. Saga seems like an interesting project. I could do like a project review on that if you're interested in that. But in general, what's more interesting and what's more relevant for a video like this is that they have raised a lot of money, first of all. And then second of all, they also have some great backers, right? I mean, if you have like GSR as a backer, but also Samsung Next, that's a good sign. But we'll still have to see, all right? Because Saga so far has done quite well, but after getting that initial spike and after getting that initial bullish momentum up to that level around $8 and 7.5, we have dropped down quite a bit. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it right now. Does it still have any potential? Which the obvious answer is yes. New coins, even in circumstances like these, where Bitcoin, I would say, is not the strongest, even in those new circumstances, new coins like Saga do have potential. It has great backing. It also has probably, I would assume, some great market makers behind it. So fundamentally, the potential is there. Now we have to look at the technicals though. And something that I will assume, something I think we can assume, but we'll check it out as well, is that the momentum for Saga, so the open interest, is still moving up a lot. Yeah, so we have about $40 million in open positions right now. So still more and more positions are being opened. It's gaining some sort of momentum, right? But then if you look at the technicals, I would say this is, you could see this in two ways, all right? So first of all, you could say this is a downtrend. We're making lower highs, and we're not getting a lot of support right here from the support level. But personally, the way I like to see this is as a bit of a consolidation, which for new cryptos, if they get into a consolidation, in my opinion, that's best, all right? Because then you can actually see the price form some sort of a structure, and then you can wait for that structure to break. So if you right now look at Saga, for me, there's basically one big level that I'm looking at, and that is not that level that I just drew, but it's this level right here. So at the top, right? So it's our main resistance level right now. It's a bit difficult to interpret, but I would say around 6.8, 6.9, and then there's that $7 psychological resistance level just above that. And then our main support is very easy to identify. It's the previous top we made right here. It's where we found support twice already, and it's a psychological level at $6. So what you can say right now is that Saga, and even though, look, there is some bearish momentum going on, right? And that also has to do with Bitcoin. There's just not a lot of strength in the markets. But I do think that Saga right now is more, especially also if you look at the EMAs, is more consolidating than it is bearish. So that means that a bullish breakout is also a possibility. And for me, even though there's quite a lot of resistance between 7 and 7 and like 6.7, for me the main level to break, I would say, is like 6.8. So the previous top, it's also respected a lot right here. Sure, we spiked a bit higher and we spiked a bit lower than that, but 6.8 and $6 are the main levels I'm watching. And my game plan, and I think that that's also what you need to do, is to wait for one of those two levels to break. All right now in these circumstances, it probably is most likely that we'll get a bearish breakout. So a breakout below $6 would suggest, then it's most likely will drop down to 5.5 and potentially $5. Those are the next two support levels. This seems most likely in the current market circumstances. But if you want to buy Saga, the main thing I would wait for is a bullish breakout above 6.8. Because if we can do that, and preferably Bitcoin is also a bit more bullish, then I do think we can actually rally back up to like 7.5, $8, and potentially higher. So wait for that breakout. Bearish breakout seems most likely, but that does not mean that you should forget about the bullish breakout. All right? That's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.